All right, everyone, today we're talking about lemons. And Jason, summer also means a nice, refreshing drink. What do you got?
Oh, what I have today is a lavender lemonade made with Ventura limoncello and limonera lemon.
All right, and this really, truth be told, is your signature drink.
Yes.
Do you make your limoncello?
Actually, we don't make our own limoncello, no, but we do make our own lavender syrup.
You might have to tell me how to do that later.
Oh, definitely.
Okay, good.
Starting out, we're going to add a little bit of ice, of course.
Okay.
Got to keep it cool and refreshing for summer. And then we're going to add in, this is our lavender syrup right here.
Okay, so tell me what's in it.
Lavender,
right?
Water, and sugar.
Oh, I bet that's wonderful.
Oh, it's amazing.
Well, we're going to try it. I can't wait.
We're going to start with the spiked version.
Okay, all right.
So we're going to add in our citron vodka. We're going to add Ventura limoncello. Ventura limoncello is pretty strong, so you only need a little bit there.
Okay, good.
So about like a ½ ounce there.
All right.
Then we have our lemonade.
Oh my gosh, what a great drink.
Very refreshing. You could play on it too. You could add in a little bit of blueberry, raspberry, mulberry.
Mulberry, I haven't heard a chef say mulberry in such a long time, and I'm glad you did.
It's amazing. Mulberry and lemons are a marriage in heaven.
All right, even though this is spiked, I'm gonna take a taste of this, and while I do, how about you make one more for us? And then my last question for this recipe, remember it's on our website, bringithome.com. Would you at all use gin? I'm having this gin vodka debate this year because of the juniper berry. Would you use it, or would it
It might overpower the lemon a little bit. I would actually just stick with the vodka.
And
exactly.
do a citron, do a citrus type flavor.
Exactly.
Let me taste this. This looks beautiful, by the way. Oh God, oh my God, that's great. You know, it's sinful because you could drink about 5 of these and not know it might be bad. Those are delicious.
Aren't they great?